It's back with y'all with Gear Jaws and Cars with D. Look at this Cadillac 2024 XT4. This thing is super clean. This is one of their smaller SUVs, guys. Super clean. This will do, got the 350 turbo. You see in the back. Love with the color of this thing. Let me show y'all guys around this thing. Super clean, guys, super clean. If you're looking for a smaller SUV, smaller than an Escalade, this one probably would be the one. Let me show y'all guys the inside of this thing. Look at the full screen got, guys. Super clean, all the way across the dash, guys. You see it come on with the Cadillac symbol. Super clean setup, guys. Got your different modes down here. Got your music, your phone mode, different modes. Of course, got your wireless charging down there with your aux cord. This thing is nice, guys, super nice. You see the back seat, you can get plenty of room for anything. You need to haul anything. Plenty of room in the back seat, guys. Super nice. Of course, it got the full all the way to the back sunroof. I love it, the big screen, guys, all the way across the dash. That's a plus. All the car companies started with 2024 and up, I think, started to do the all the way across the dash screens. Yeah, I like them. I think it's super, super neat. Super clean setup. Pick up the back seat, guys. Super nice. Super roomy. Show you again the front setup. Super nice, guys. Thanks again, guys, for watching my video, and stay tuned for more videos.